Hi everyone, we are going to chat about interpreting a sketch. So this is the final layout that I used Electric Summer, beautiful designer paper, matte stickers, and embellishment to create. Totally fell in love with Electric Summer and knew that the pictures from my grandson's third birthday party from 2019 would fit perfectly. And so let me share what I did. So I actually print out my sketches. I like to write on them and interpret them and write different sizes of what I'm going to do within my sketches. And so what I decided quite quickly is the pictures on the side, so 6 pictures, needed to be 3 by 3. I've just felt that anything smaller than 3 by 3 for those photos would mean that I wouldn't showcase enough of what I wanted in my pictures. So I cut those photos right away and then interpreted the mat as about 1/4 inch. So then I cut mats 3.5 inches and then had those right away. And once I had that lined up, then I knew how much room I'd have on the rest of my paper for the border for the other elements. So in the center section here, I kept pictures at 4 by 6. And then I actually used the Creative Memories Electric Summer mats to simply mat these 2 photos. So that was super easy. And then the last thing that I interpreted was the borders on the side of the sketches. So as you can see, it looks like there's either some kind of decorative embellishment or sticker or a cutout with a tool. And so I did a little bit of both. I have put the embellishment, the stickers from the Electric Summer package, and then used the cloud border maker system, and it looks just fantastic. Turned out beautifully, just how I wanted to celebrate my grandson's birthday. Thanks so much. Have fun. Cheers. Bye.